What's up, guys? I got my laser engraver about a month ago and I've been playing around with it, doing some cool engravings on it, or with it. So just wanted to show off some of the things I've done. I did this bonsai tree. It kind of reflects with the light, looks pretty cool. Did this optical illusion almost. Thought that kind of turned out pretty cool. And then I did this jellyfish. Just wanted to see like all the details that it could do, and it did a pretty good job at it. And I did this rose, and yeah, you kind of got to reflect the light off of it just to get the colors, but it's blue and red. I thought it was pretty cool too. And I did the snake and the skull. Did come and take it. AR with the flag. Did this lion. It kind of reflects with the light too. Same thing with this Joker. Looks pretty cool. And I did this revolver. And this crack right here, it's actually laser engraved, but it's kind of hard to tell. It's actually a deep laser engraving, so there's actually depth to it. It's actually it functions almost like a crack, real crack. And this phoenix right here, I don't know if you saw it, but kind of reflect the right way, it actually shows a rainbow effect on it. I don't know if you can see that on the wings. Engraved my business on here, Grayline arms. The inside text, or the inside of the lettering, is actually chrome, or almost chrome. It reflects the light pretty well. Then I did this Joker. It's pretty cool. Some scroll work. Just want to test it out before I engraved it on my Glock. I actually did a video on that earlier. This Pikachu, as you can tell, it kind of reflects with the light. Actually shows the gold color of it. And then these watch gears. This also has depth to it. It's not just a surface level engrave. So those are the cool things that I've engraved so far. First month of having my laser engraver. I'm going to be engraving some more guns soon, hopefully. And like and subscribe if you like this content.